Babe, have you seen my Glock? I can't find it nowhere.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Here, go try it.
What did you do?
You have to go find out.
No, she ain't no gunsmith.
God damn!
You go crazy.
But GGM back at you. Got the G-Flex trigger in, man. New pull release systems for performance trigger. Slid in the PSA dagger. Gen 3 Glock clone. We're gonna run 100 rounds through it today and see how it functions. First 100 rounds, man. Been waiting on these to come out for a little while, man. Appreciate my boy James Swicer for putting me on a little bit earlier than should be. Some people still waiting. Well, with further ado, let's see how she run. With every pull, there's a shot. With every release, there's a shot. First mag, here we go. Light primer strike. First 10 rounds. Let's run a 15. Another light primer strike. I think I'm lip resting it. All right, so right off, we having some issues. Not seeming to run efficiently. Maybe it's just a break-in. I don't know. But we will continue to run it. Maybe it's me. Uh-oh. No. I don't know if the grain make a difference, but it's actually 124s. And I'm getting the 2 from the pull and release, but then it won't reset. I did hear that it wasn't compatible with a PSA dagger. After trying a few rounds, after getting it in yesterday, I had one light primer strike. I just assumed it was maybe due to a break-in. All right, man, we just lubed the heck out of it. Let's see how it run now. Misfeed. Let's give her another try from a different angle. Misfeed. Oh, shit. Didn't grab the next one. Misfeed. It's getting better. It's getting better, y'all. Getting better. We almost through 100 rounds. I had to go back to the drawing board, man. I might have to put this in a Glock. Misfeed. Misfeed again. Another misfeed. I think it might be the spring weight. Might be the spring weight, y'all. Every time. Might be the spring weight. Come on. It ain't even grabbing the next round. Yeah, I don't think the slide's coming back far enough. Actually, 1 second. Man, we're gonna try switching ammo to some 115 grain, man. That was 124 grain Blazer. Try some 115 grain. Grind hard ammo. Let's see how it works. All right, here we go. Try it out. Didn't eject. Still won't grab. I don't know. See, I'm gonna change the recoil spring and get right back to you. All right. We got a lighter spring. 15 pound recoil spring. Let's see if it make a difference. Still not grabbing. No slide lock. It's getting better. Let's see. We gonna get some runs out of this, y'all. Your boy gonna figure it out. Now I know it'd be easy if I just slapped it in a Glock. Just wouldn't be as fun. I mean, if you're a gun guy, you know how it is to do something they tell you can't be done. It's that feeling I get when I'm doing shit like this. Again. Okay. She acting crazy. Slide lock is getting better. It ain't over. Check this out, look. All I had to do was put the Shadow Systems barrel in here, man. So they say the PSA dagger ain't compatible with the G-Flex trigger. But really, the barrel is not compatible. The feed ramp and the spring weight. You had to go to a 15 pound spring weight. But with further ado, I'm gonna let this motherfucker go. Man, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we in there, baby. We in there.